y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So y'all, it's been a little minute. My bad, I was traveling. I'm sorry. But I was on TikTok and everybody has been making that flying Dutchman situation from In-N-Out. Now, I live in Memphis. I'm from Chicago. I don't think I've ever even had In-N-Out before. But it looked like my kind of carrying on. Like, I love onions so much. So you talking about onion buns? Yeah, let's get into it. So if you want to see how I made a vegan flying Dutchman, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. And as always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I wouldn't say this recipe is hard. I would just say you need the patience of Job. And that might not be convincing, but every time I do these recipes, I'll be like, would I make this again? I feel like I would, but it's a little like novelty-ish and like kind of like a little bit of a hassle. But I still think you should try it because especially if you love onions like me, I think like it's worth it. Okay, so I'm starting off with a Beyond Patty. Now, I have a really interesting relationship with vegan meat in that like I go through phases where I'm like, yeah, I could do me a burger, and then I'll be like, it's too like meaty. So when I have to do like a double burger or something like that, I think there's a recipe on this channel, if I can remember it, I'll link, where I had to do a double burger as well. I have to split a single patty in half. Like I can't do like two patties. And then also I couldn't find, like I went to Kroger and they didn't have like the Beyond, like, you know, the little cube. There's a word for that. What's it called? The pound, or the 3/4 of a pound. So I had to use the burger patties, which I think is fine anyway. And I think like, I don't think it really matters, but I think Beyond beef, is it beef? Beyond meat, it's not that either. But it holds together better in situations like this. I feel like Impossible meat, when you make her too thin or you like manipulate her too much, she starts to have an attitude. And I remember being on a time crunch for this, so I was like, you're not finna piss me off, okay? You're not about to piss me off. Okay, so basically what I did is I seasoned to my taste. I did like sazon because, are you kidding? It's me, Katie. And I did, my bad. I did sazon, I did garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, but you could do whatever you want. You could leave it siamsa if that's what your type of carrying on is. And then I massage it into the Beyond Meat, and then I flatten it out and I put it in the air fryer because like my enemies were not gonna prosper this day. They were not going to prosper. And if I did it on the stove, it would have fell apart and it would have been taco meat and you was not finna break my soul, okay? Shout out to Beyonce. So while that's going away and doing this thing, basically becoming a potato chip, I'm dealing with the onions. This is the most ridiculous way to cut an onion. Now, to be fair, I have made onion rings before, but this just felt so much. But it worked out, you know what I'm saying? I did the best I could, and yeah, we moved. Here go my little crackers. They weren't that thin. It would actually like, it was very, very good. And if it wasn't good, I wouldn't be sharing this with you. I'm going in with this Follow Heart American cheese. It melts up very nicely. And I needed something that was gonna melt quickly because I don't got time for no attitude. Because it was already giving paper thin and it had to go back in the air fryer. You could do this in the oven. If you wanna try your luck on the stove, baby girl, do that. You could also just keep it one patty, but it's the principle. Like I'm trying to recreate a recipe, so I had to do what the girls be doing. Now you see how my enemies tried to prosper right here? I said cut the cameras. I had to get myself together. So don't mind that jump cut. Cause like y'all was not gonna watch me struggle. Baby, the little rings were starting to come apart. And I was like, ooh, should I like paper clip it? You hear me? Not paper clip, toothpick it. And I was like, no, I'm not gonna do it. I should have did it. But either way, it worked out. You see the video, right? Okay, I'm gonna make me a little In-N-Out sauce. This is my guess of it. Now I added a little barbecue sauce to mine because I personally don't think the mustard, ketchup, mayo relish is enough balance. I need a little smoky, little sweet in there. Okay, but I just guesstimated. This is what I be making. This is fry sauce. I be making this like all the time, like on a Friday night, Saturday night situation. Yeah. Anyway, here go my onion buns. Patted them dry. You see what I'm talking about, cracker? They weren't dry though, thank God, but like they a little thin. And I did my little whoop-de-woo and I stacked them up. You see this onion? Please, like my enemies were not gonna prosper. But here she is with a little fry sauce. Now, honestly, like honest to God, cooking it wasn't an issue. Eating it, Baby girl, that's what I feel like. I think I'd rather just get a regular bun, grill me up some onions, and go that route, because eating it, like, I took one bite and the whole thing fell apart. But it was cute in that it was a little like novelty moment. Like I said, like, it was enjoyable to do and to recreate. So let me know if you like In-N-Out how I did. Let me know if you try this. Let me know if you have, you know, a better experience cutting / eating this. And yeah, let me know what you think. I think it was so fun. I definitely think you should make it. This is type of one of the things like you make like for fun once and then you like leave it alone. But either way, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because I know I have enough videos. If you made it this far in the video, let me know what you'd like me to cook next. I'll be cooking. Okay, I'll be doing a whole bunch of stuff. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.